People wait at the zebra crossing for you to cross. See the cars just stopped. I'm just walking on the road like nothing's happening. Like I'm not even walking on like an express road where cars are even passing. I'm just walking. I'm not being afraid of whether car is gonna hit me or something like that. You guys check out ground. Hello, what's up guys? What's good? What's happening? Today I'm currently in Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm going to be walking the streets of Kenya today. Today's vlog is going to be done on the GoPro because this is my first time in Kenya, so I don't really know how they would react to me carrying a big camera like. So if the audio isn't so good, just know I vlogged on my GoPro because it's my first time in Kenya. So I'm going to be taking you guys through the streets of Kenya. I'm going to be meeting with a Kenyan YouTuber today, and I'm sure you guys would probably know her because she has been on my channel before. And I'm heading out right now. My Uber is on its way. Uber is arriving now. Uber is arriving now. So my Uber is outside now. I'm currently at this dope apartment house called Gables. It's a block of 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom apartments in the heart of Kenya.
Hello.
Hello, good day. This is my first time walking the streets of Kenya. There are a lot of people on the left and on the right. This is like their main central district. Yeah, so we're currently at the Hilton Hotel in Nairobi. And I'm currently waiting for the YouTuber I'm going to meet today. She's a YouTuber you guys probably know. And I'm just chilling and waiting for her. So this is the person I said I'm going to meet. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's happening? So we're currently walking to the Safari shop so that I can get a new SIM. I'm Miss Trudy. And you make her. I walk in the streets of Kenya. See how easy it is vlogging on the streets of Kenya. You can't vlog on the streets of. You can't vlog. It's actually calm for me to be able to bring out my camera and walk on the streets and vlog. If I was in Lagos now, I'll probably find it difficult because one area boy will just come and grab my stick. What? It wasn't grab your stick. Like what are the prices of their like goods here? If you want to buy like stuff like clothes, shoes and stuff like that.
It depends. There are places where it's very expensive and there are places where it's crazy cheap, like so cheap. Like Ikomba market, very cheap. But if you go to stores and malls, it's expensive, but not that expensive.
So if I wanted to buy like a shoe now, like what's the average price of a normal shoe? Or like a clothes or something like that?
5,000.
5,000? That's like $50.
Yeah.
Hey, that's like normal shoe pricing.
What do you laugh at?
What's the ukungua? Ukungua.
What is that?
It's not Swahili.
No. Ukungua?
Yeah. Somebody just said ukungua just now.
Yeah, check out ground. Hello.
You want SIM card service?
It's a bus stop.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
Yeah.
You say bus stop? You say bus stop?
Yeah, bus stop.
Bus stop. How do you say
Now
bus
it's
stop?
coming out.
Bus stop?
It's bus stop.
Come on, it's bus stop.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
Drop me at the bus stop.
Drop me at the bus stop.
That's bus stop.
Exactly, bus stop.
No.
Okay. Here's how we would actually settle.
You want to check it on Google?
No. I'm going to write something and then you pronounce it. And then you pronounce it.
Okay, interesting.
This is the weirdest thing that Kenyans have pronounced beside me.
Pasta.
She just said pasta.
Yeah, it's pasta.
So what would you say this is?
pasta.
And the other one is.
Pasta.
Now you see it.
Oh my god.
Card Twanwenza SIM card. This is Twaweza SIM card.
Your accent is so funny when you try to speak. Sorry.
Twaweza. Oh, you have to pronounce it. What's the pronunciation?
Twaweza means we can.
Means
We can.
Twaweza. Yes. Look at from Safari Top, which is this tall ass building behind us. And then we're going to see James, which was recommended by Miss Trudy.
Charlie's Bistro.
Charlie's Bistro.
Yes.
What's so special about their food there?
It's just like the biggest, the best restaurant.
In the whole of Nairobi.
Yes.
If it's the best, that means it should be like expensive.
Yes, it's expensive.
Ooh.
Of course, it's the best for you, man. Like, I want you to have like the best time in Nairobi. So.
Yeah, thank you. See, Miss Trudy, she always has me covered.
Charlie's Bistro. You guys know it's like the best restaurant in Nairobi. We are almost there. I hope you like it.
Ooh. I can smell something nice already.
This is KFC. Oh, this is this restaurant.
Okay, it's KFC nice. Oh.
The one I'm taking you to is in that building.
People wait at the zebra crossing for you to cross. See the cars just stopped. I'm just walking on the road like nothing's happening. Like I'm not even walking on like an express road where cars are even passing. I'm just walking. I'm not being afraid of whether a car is gonna hit me or something like that. You guys check out the view behind me. And we're about to eat food courtesy of Miss Trudy. And Yimika is also here. So yeah, from here you can see the whole Kenyan skyline, or Nairobi skyline. Check out these nice buildings here, around people walking on the streets. So dope.
Okay. I'm not sure what you like. And then you guys, what are the food? Pepe, chili.
But you already said we are having yam and choma.
But they don't have nyama choma here.
Okay.
Pepper stick. What's it?
Rice, some vegetables, and fish.
What are you having?
A very massive burger.
Inside of the burger.
Yeah, we
Everything is 5,340 for everything we just bought.
Lol.
Thumbnail. We're looking for thumbnails. So guys, we're going to the tallest building in Nairobi. Behind me is the governor's office. I think you can see it's office of the governor. And we're going to this building.
So weird hanging out with vloggers.
Tallest building in Nairobi.
It's so weird hanging out with vloggers. Because you'll be walking 1 minute talking with them and the next they're talking into a camera.
Yes, because it's content.
And it's like, hey guys, and I'm like, where are the guys? Where are the guys at?
The guys are here, they are in here, they are watching you right now.
This is KICC, the tallest building in Nairobi. Though there's another building being built that's gonna be taller than this.
How many floors is this building?
Is it 29?
29 floors.
I've forgotten. We're gonna ask when we get there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but conferences are held here, major events in the country. When guys are crossing over to the new year, a lot happens here. Like this is a landmark in Nairobi.
So do they always have fireworks and stuff like that?
Yeah, they do. They have fireworks here.
Oh, dope. So guys, check out this building. This is the building we are talking about. So apparently it's like one of their most popular buildings here. It's a popular landmark. So this is the center of Nairobi. There's the judiciary on this side and the governor's office is on that side. So if you look around me, let me just go around. There are a lot of buildings, a lot of tall buildings all around me. There's a fountain here too with a statue. Oh, this is the past president of Nairobi, of Kenya.
Past president of Nairobi.
What's his name? What was his name?
Kenyatta.
Oh, this is Jomo
Yes,
Kenyatta.
Jomo Kenyatta, the one you learnt about in history.
Oh, that was named after the that's the airport now.
The airport. So many things in Kenya are named after him. Schools, parks, places, roads. That's him, man. Our past
dope.
president.
Chee!
I'll strike a match and watch it calm down and walk away because it
27.
Yeah,
This is 27 floor. We're going in. Ah.
It's basically like 30 floors.
Woo. Ooh. There's a helipad up here.
Yep, and this is it.
Woo. Bad thing. So what did they do up here on top of this?
So here we've had music videos being shot by our biggest stars, Sauti Sol. If you know Kenya, you know Sauti Sol.
Yeah.
They've shot videos here. Celebrities, like when people come to Kenya, this is where they come to chill, hang out, hold parties. Yeah, all those sort of things.
All those things.
All those sort of things.
Nice. The view from here is pretty good. Now you guys check out the view. The view is pretty amazing. Over here, their cabs or their bikes have like a Taxify app. So there's a Taxify app on their phones that you can order bikes from, similar to how you order Taxifys in Lagos. Currently on the bike now, as traffic got too much, I had to take a bike. So this bike is Boda. What do they call it now? Boda. They call it the Boda. So I'm heading home now. And I'm also going to link Miss Trudy's channel in the description below. Thank you. Bye bye. I'm going to be doing a tour of my apartment in probably one of the next videos. I'm going to be shooting this apartment, showing you where I stay in Kenya and showing you how much it costs to live in Kenya. As always, if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you guys a lot more Kenyan content. I think I'm also going to be going to Mombasa very soon, which is today. I think, yeah, today. I'm going to go to Mombasa by rail. And then when I get there, we're going to get the drone up in the air, you know, get some aerial shots. You know how I do it now. You know how I do it.